Hi everybody, welcome to the presentation. Today we are going to see about blockchain. Have you heard what is blockchain so far? Hopefully, I thought that you people have heard blockchain. So we are going to understand the basics in blockchain. So that is what our presentation all of today is. What is blockchain? So it is like in digital record keeping system. It is going to store the data in blocks, like it will be like a chain. So basically the blockchain, how why it is like in notebook. Imagine that like whenever in olden days and all, when you go to a bank you can see a ledger. So what will be there in the ledger? Usually in the ledger they'll store each and every transaction, whichever is coming getting it in, and whatever is going out, withdrawal, deposit, everything is get stored in the ledger. So once it gets filled up, once the ledger gets filled up, automatically we will be going to the next page. Likewise the blockchain also, like it is like a block. Each and every block, it will be having its own ledger. So in each and every ledger all the things are going to be stored. What is the special thing which is getting happened in the blockchain? That is what we are going to see with an example. The main key feature of the blockchain is it is decentralized. What is decentralized? Like there is no single person to control it. What is the meaning of that controlling? In the sense, like usually when you put your money inside the bank, what will get happen? The reserve bank, which is like it is the central bank, so all the banks get tied up with the reserve bank. The reserve bank is responsible for providing the details, like what are all the transaction is getting happen day by day. Likewise in blockchain there is no such bank gets involved. It is completely decentralized without intermediate person. No single person can control it. Each and every person, they can do the transaction in a safe and secured manner. And the another main feature of blockchain is security in the sense each and everything, it is going to get encrypted with the hash key, so which no one can block. In the upcoming sessions we can see what is meant by hash, what is it is going to be, how it is working inside the blockchain. These are all the things we are going to see. And after that, the another feature is transparent. So such that no, like each and every people, they can see the data. For example, if somebody is doing any transaction, in the sense like the other person, no, they can also see like what is getting happened, but they cannot see the which person has sent it, but they can able to see the id of the particular thing. And it is immutable in the sense, like once if you get added the data, that data, it cannot be changed. So how it is getting worked? So this is how, like the user, he will be requesting a transaction, and once the transaction it gets requested, it gets distributed with the all the other computers in the network, and the system will get verified. Once it gets approved, then only it can be get added to the block. So that is what will get happened inside the blockchain. This is what the concept. So where and all we are getting use of the blockchain? So bitcoin platform, bitcoin in the sense, like hopefully I think that you people have heard about it. And then banking and finance, in healthcare, and in voting systems. Like if, mainly why every people are coming inside the blockchain is only for the security reason. Benefits, these are all the benefits of the blockchain. Here there is no middleman, such that the privacy and trust will be more, and the cost is very lower, and the transaction will get happen in a second. That is all the benefit. And when you use, definitely when it is having good features, this will be having a challenges also. So main thing is like if somebody wants to do mining, I'll be explaining you what is mining separately in my another video. This is like high energy usage. When you perform mining, it will be making use of the system, like it will be making use of high energy, and it is in complex technology, so which is having a more crypto, like more hash value concepts, cybersecurity concepts, and all it is there. So it will be complex to understand, and there is no government rule so far. The government is not get involved so far, so it get still now it is not fully understood by many. And this is what the overall summary. So it is very safe, and it is open, and it's going to be permanent, and it can change anything in future. And everybody, you should learn the blockchain, and you should understand the blockchain, at least. Like, maybe you are not an people of blockchain, but still you should know what is this particular blockchain is about. You can understand about the introduction of the blockchain, such that now you will be aware of what is blockchain in the future. It is going to be everywhere in future. So that is what its power. So thank you for your attention. And if you're having any questions in the sense, like, you can pour in the comments, such that now I'll be trying to answer you through the comments. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you so much.